What's going on, everybody? This is Defender 21 once again, and this is a 52-inch brown and polished brass Hunter original ceiling fan. This fan was manufactured back in 1983. It is a 3-speed fan, and it is reversible by means of the reverse air blade irons. 1983 was the first year for 3-speed Hunter originals. Now, not the first ever 3-speed fan of this type. On older variations, such as the H52, C17, and what have you, were offered in 3-speed, but this is the first year for the original variant to be 3-speed. Like I said, reverse air blade brackets. All you gotta do is just push in and push the blades in the opposite direction to reverse airflow. Fan's in pretty good shape for its age. A little bit of a nick here on the blade. The blades are the solid oak, a more higher priced alternative than the regular pecan. It's got the isolation ring, which dampens noise. And without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. Start up here on low. One other thing I gotta note. The tag, it says Hunter, the original since 1886. That tag was in use from 1983 all the way into 1986. 1982 on down had a Hunter Robinson Myers on it. It's a little bit different design, but similar look. And 1987 onward had a much larger tag, completely different design. A little bit tidbit of information for you. But this is low speed, pretty nice and quiet, and pretty nice and slow. We'll take it up to medium. And finally, we'll take it to high. It has a very slight wobble. Otherwise, a very nice running fan. Shut her down here. Now we're going to stop it. And like I said, to reverse the fan, you got to do is just simply pushing at the end of the blade. You got to hold on to it with the switch as in it takes 2 hands. And then pretty much just flip the blade in the opposite direction. I really can't show you this because I'm holding the camera, but I'm going to go ahead and set you down here and do this so you can see what the fan looks like in the reversed position. And here's the fan in the reverse position for updraft. You can tell that it looks like the blades are much greatly pitched than they were before, but that's just a mere optical illusion. I'm going to cycle through the speeds real quick. It's basically looking at this fan through a mirror. The pitch is steep regardless of its direction on these irons. Same goes for the adapt air. The more fancier manually adjusting blade brackets that the Hunter offered on the originals in the mid to late 70s. which I'd like to find one day, but I haven't gotten lucky yet. Take it to medium. And we'll take it to high. And we'll go ahead and shut her down. So there you have it. There was the 52-inch brown and polished brass Hunter original ceiling fan with the reverse air blade irons. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Have a good one.